When your boat is your main tool, it needs to be functional and durable. TS Boats does just that. Its polyethylene workboats weather harsh conditions exceptionally well and can be adapted to your particular needs. Polyethylene is lightweight, lighter than water, not to mention metal, which means it will not sink even when fully flooded. It is strong, flexible, and element resistant. It also requires very little maintenance. The design is based on the principles of shipbuilding. The boat's outer skin is made of 10mm sheet material. The body is compartmentalized, ensuring buoyancy and safety. TS Boats polyethylene boats are lightweight and durable, so you can focus on your work. They are also customizable to fit your specific needs and weather conditions. For more information, please visit tsboats.com.